Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin in Exodus Wallet. First, download and install the Exodus application on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, open the wallet and create a new one. It's crucial to write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, private place. This phrase is your only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device. Always double-check your internet connection for stability. Now let's look at funding your Bitcoin purchase. Inside your Exodus wallet, you'll find a buy and sell section. Click on this to begin. You'll then select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Exodus partners with various third-party providers, offering several payment options. You can typically use a bank transfer, a debit card, or sometimes even a credit card, depending on your region and the provider. With your payment method chosen, it's time to execute your order. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, or specify the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend. The wallet will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees. Take a moment to review all the transaction details thoroughly. Once you are completely satisfied with the information, proceed to confirm your purchase. After confirming your purchase, your Bitcoin will usually arrive in your Exodus wallet within a few minutes, though sometimes it can take a bit longer. You'll see the updated balance in your portfolio. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication if available. Remember to regularly back up your wallet, and most importantly, keep your 12-word recovery phrase secret and secure at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.